Empty plot of land for building. Your first goat shelter, step-by-step guide. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on building your first goat shelter. In just 3 minutes, we'll walk you through the process from start to finish. Sketching and planning process. Gathering materials. Next, gather your materials. You'll need sturdy lumber for framing, plywood for walls, roofing material, and hardware like screws and nails. Don't forget about insulation for colder climates. Gathering the materials from a hardware store. Site preparation. Prepare the site by clearing the area and leveling the ground. Make sure the location offers good drainage and is easily accessible for both you and your goats. Gathering the materials from a hardware store. Site preparation. Prepare the site by clearing the area and leveling the ground. Make sure the location offers good drainage and is easily accessible for both you and your goats. Clearing and leveling the building site. Framing construction. Now it's time to start building. Begin with the framing, following your design plans. Make sure to reinforce corners and joints for added stability. Framing construction in progress. Wall and roof. Installation. Once the framing is complete, install the walls and roof. Use weather-resistant materials and ensure proper ventilation to keep your goats comfortable year-round. Installing walls and roofing. Finishing touches. Add finishing touches like doors, windows, and any additional features you desire. Don't forget about insulation and bedding to keep your goats warm and cozy. Adding doors and windows. And there you have it. Your first goat shelter is complete. With careful planning and construction, you've created a safe and comfortable home for your goats. Finished goat shelter with happy goats inside. Subscribe for more farming DIY projects.